that Lin Che-dong yesterday completely changed the tide in favor of China, and now taking opening order there. Bit of a change, and Wong Chu Ting, as expected, uh, is going to be certainly looking at this particular match as an important match, because lot is riding onto them. He's the strongest player in the team. Would want to set the tone for Hong Kong China.
Wong Chu Ting is coming off a very confident performance in the semi-finals there against Chinese Taipei. Sachin, if I may remind you, he won 3-2 the first match that was in that contest. It was against Liao Chengting, 11-4, 8-11, 11-7, 10-12, 11-8. And then he had to return to play the fourth match in that contest, and he won it convincingly, 11-1, 11-7, 11-2 against Kuo Guang Hong. But now he's up against the world number 2, Lin Che-dong, who was the game changer for China yesterday when they faced the heat from Japan, and it's the game changer who is going to start proceedings here. And
Good
he gets off the
opening.
mark.
Good opening with Lin Che-dong. Pretty confident. He's always, initially, he relies more onto the backhand. Right this time, into the body of Chun Ting. Not allowing him to breathe at all. Trying to take a little room for himself. Ting is slowing Lin down.
And we are just looking at this from ground level, of course, and you can just have a look at the contingents now. In fact, you can see the Chinese men's contingent. They have just assembled right behind their team. And even the Hong Kong China players are here, some of them, and interesting to see some of the Singapore players here as well.
It's 4 points lead with Lin Che-dong.
Sachin, after 5 days, I can hardly believe that this is the last match. I mean, it leaves us hungry for a lot more, but that is what the quality of this championships has been. It just leaves you asking for a lot more. You want more of that, rather. The quality is great, so that's why you want more of it.
That's a long service into the deep backhand. Bit of experimentation is going on to understand the opponent's move. Lin Ting with that big forehand getting this point. It's 2-5.
And just to tell everyone that Lin Che-dong has never lost a match against Wong Chu Ting.
Yes, his body language is completely dominating here, and he knows that it's final. And China doesn't compromise on final.
Also, to let you know that Wong Chun Ting has never won a game against Lin Che-dong. Never. Across 3 matches.
Yes, in terms of age, he's 34, and Lin is 14 years younger to him. Oh, he's like a little brother.
Yes, a generation younger almost, and world number 2 against world number 48. And if Hong Kong China have to set the tone here, then of course a lot will depend on their senior man, and that is Wong Chun Ting. It has been a great campaign. Against all odds, one would say that they have come through. They beat India and then they beat Chinese Taipei to make it here. So they have really worked hard to be here. But the Chinese test is obviously going to be a stern one.
Love to see dignitaries here. Sharad Kamal, 5 times Olympian from India, multiple times national champion, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta from TTFI secretary.
Yes, 2 men who have truly set the benchmark for Indian table tennis, you know, from different eras, of course. Sharad Kamal had played the last championship, and right now he has retired very recently, but definitely an inspiration for the next generation. And I would also like to say that having this event here is also an inspiration for youngsters. You know, they've gotten to see some high quality table tennis. Credit to the Odisha government for this. And in that rally, it is Lin Shindong just showing his quality. He may have lost to Benjamin Farazi to begin his campaign in this competition, but in the semi-final, when it mattered, he was there and he rose to the occasion.
Oh, that's quite a rally there. A long rally. But Lin Shidong, 6 game points in a row.
And 13 shots that rally. With this, he gets the game point.
He's so confident over Ting. He knows that even if he couple of points here and there, doesn't matter. Oh, that signature backhand was beautifully blocked by Ting.
Yes, Wong with that typical pen holder grip, and he's one of the players who has really set the stage alight here. He did well against Chinese Taipei and against India. How quick was that? I wish there was a speed gun just to monitor the pace of the ball and the hand reactions, just to know that the reaction time was possibly microseconds.
Oh, it's good to see that the ball didn't come back. Ting came back heavily onto that ball to hit it. That ball.
Oh, it was very well played. It was a booming forehand by Wong Chun Ting. Initially, Lin had taken a big lead, but now Wong Chun Ting has managed to come back. And an early timeout. Wow. This is surprising. Maybe the legend Wang Hao has spotted something and wants to alert Lin immediately.
This is quite a move here. Lin seems to be moving. Short of rhythm. Now that's game of table tennis. That makes it so surprising, so deceiving.
It is
At
surprising.
a point of time, Lin was absolutely confident. Even if a couple of points he was losing, but he was not bothered. But now, giving 6 points with a 6 points lead, giving 4 points in a row has made Wang Hao disturbed. Oh boy, what are you doing there? We are in finals.
Yeah, an early timeout, and this is interesting. We saw something like this even during the first game between Japan and China yesterday in the men's competition. As you will remember, Harimoto had taken a timeout in the first game. Then in the second game, we could actually see Jinkun take the timeout there as well. So that was really interesting. But now we are back on the table.
Ting would be serving to defend 2 points. Okay, no, the timeout worked. Lin Shidong got the first game here.
Yes, China off the mark. Lin Shindong coming at the back of a great performance yesterday where he really lifted China out of a muddle.
Audience would be actually thinking, for the viewers who may not know what timeout is, but you would be really thinking what was the reason of Lin Shidong to come back towards Wang Hao in between the match.
He definitely would have spotted something very technical.
No, I'm talking about the audience would be thinking, and the people who may not understand about the table tennis, that what was the need in between to come back to the Wang Hao when he had just 2 points lead. But Wang Hao could notice that he was changing, he was not in the rhythm, and this worked for him.
It definitely did. And now to support the men, the Chinese women's team has also come and they have taken their spots in the contingent behind. I can see.
Ting to serve. Oh, he gave everything. He was in control of the rhythm of the ball. He gave away that point. Ting opening up with such a power rally. You could see firework has begun. It's men versus men. That's a power of a backhand by Lin Shedong. Absolutely. No way I'm going to give that point. No matter how much power Ting is generating from his backhand. He hits with such a short wrist.
Gets that first point in this game. As I was saying earlier, there are the Chinese women's team. They've just taken their spots right behind.
Lin Shedong in the flow, fighting for the point now. He knows that he has the momentum back with him.
It is, of course, not easy for Hong Kong China. When you look at their unit and you compare it to the Chinese unit, the rankings do tell a story.
One more point in a row. Towel break here.
Towel break, like for example, China's lowest ranked player is ranked much higher than Hong Kong China's highest ranked player. So that really tells you the difference between the two sides. And it also reflects the kind of effort that Hong Kong China have put to come here to this stage.
Oh, love to see that the way Ting beautifully pushes that short push. He gets an advantage with that pen hold grip. Oh, that's a ripping backhand comeback by Lin Shedong, absolutely not allowing Ting to dominate. I wonder, with this grip, whenever Ting would be giving an examination, he would be finishing it first.
Moves up to 7. Lin Shedong in complete control of proceedings here. Wong Chun Ting. That's just lobbed off the net. He lobs it back. Oh, you could have hit that anywhere. Anywhere on the table.
Now that's confidence of Lin Shedong. The way he played that rally, he was absolutely calm, composed in middle of the table. I love the way Ting comes and leans forward with that subtle push. Lin Shedong talking to himself. Boy, you have got 7 points lead now. Don't lose it. Oh,
But that
Ting.
was authoritative. Authoritative by Wong. Oh, he was surprised by the pace of that one, wasn't he?
A beautifully Ting placing more balls in forehand. He knows that. That's a place where you can block his power backhands. Good strategy though.
Very, very good.
Even though he has not won match against him, but he has experience of playing him and slowing him down. But Lin is determined. Again, back to second game, the same score, 10-4.
Yes, 10-4.
And this time with this ripping backhand, get the second game here. Absolutely made no mistake, something what he did in the first game. Now he knows that he doesn't have a timeout.
But look at the margin. It was 11-8 after the first game, but now it's 11-4. So he's only gotten stronger and better as this match has progressed. Lin Shedong. Now Wang Hao, a similar expression on his face though. I think you would only be telling him you can continue. And yet again the water bottle in his hand.
This time is only one.
Oh, it's only one, but it seems to have some hydration salts mixed in it.
That's the element of China. Now you could see stadium is beautifully power packed.
When you've got Hong Kong, China at the other end, Wong Chun Ting, they know that they have a challenge before them, but they've got to give their best. Remember that sport presents you opportunities, an opportunity to change history. But for that, you've got to believe. You've got to really believe that you can overcome a formidable force of the quality of China, which is why, at least in the women's last year, Japan had managed to do that. The Hong Kong women's team has also assembled here to support their men.
There's some, okay, I guess some objection, some request has been made by players, maybe regarding some kind of a throw of a light is coming from somewhere.
Yes, possibly they are in the firing line, but the officials just checking around. Remember, when you are hosting an event of this scale, there are various moving parts, there are various operational personnel involved. Broadcast is just one of them. There's obviously sport management professionals around who are managing everything, right from the players' requirements to the facilities here. And there are enough and more people to look after this. Well, we are all sorted.
Beautifully lifted the ball. First point for China, maintaining the rhythm.
Yes, maintain the rhythm and getting off to a great start. And meanwhile, as the men continue to battle it out and continues, it's a good blocking kind of a shot there by Lin. Moves to 2 love.
The only thing Ting can do on that stroke is slow Lin Shidong. He's really quick.
This is very good by Chun Ting. His reflexes were quick, they were on the money, and possibly just left Lin Shidong a little bit surprised.
Center is the only place where you can have some breather with Lin Shidong. Oh,
Flicks that out. And is it for the first time in this match that Wong Chun Ting has leveled, even though it's only at 2 points, but he's level all right.
this time Lin was prepared with 2 back-to-back forehands in the center. Ting had no opportunity to reply back.
Now Wong Chun Ting. Now slowed the pace. Wong was trying to go for the forehand, had crouched down a little bit. Having said that here, Sachin, as I can see from the corner of my eye, the dignitaries are here, of course, but the trophies have also been made ready. So this is what the players had come to play for. And as we have a look at those trophies, there is a timeout. The coveted trophies are all set. The Chinese women have already written their name on one of them. The Japanese women on the other, the silver ones, obviously the silver medalists. And now the Chinese men are on course by the looks of things, because Hong Kong, China, with a spirited effort, having made it to the final, it is of course a tall order beating a team like China. And by the looks of things, just the way the matches transpired yesterday, one would say that if China were to be beaten in this competition, only possibly Japan had it in them, and possibly if Iran could have come up with 2 more Benjamin Farazis.
Yes, whenever that name comes up, Farazi, that match of Lin Shidong also comes up. And he did a fair amount of entertainment for India and given a big amount of homework to 14 to 17-year-old kids that if I can do it, you can do it too.
Yes, you can do it if you train hard, practice well, eat right, look after yourself, and follow what the champions do.
What champions do? This is what they do. Opening the game with a winning habit.
Yeah, after the timeout, Lin Shidong continues his charge. Wow. This is going on and on. It's ended now. The ultimate final lob by Lin, just landing wide of the table. Oh, we were so transfixed on the table. The crowd has come alive. 23 shots long, that rally. Boy, oh boy, quality.
A little more cheer for Lin Shidong from the audience.
And the audience, irrespective of what side they are on, would have definitely appreciated that rally.
That's a apology. Ting is trying everything. Not working in his favor.
Wong was trying his best, but in the end, Lin with his defense on point, and that just shows you the importance of defense there. While you may have those big booming shots, you also need to have a solid defense to ensure that you are in the game when the opponent is trying to dominate you.
Oh, Ting is trying to place on deep bore end. Ball had such a variation there.
Only 3 points away. Now make it 2. A towel
Lin
break.
Shidong is pretty quick, pretty sharp.
Two more points, and the first match would be in China's bag. Wong missed that one. There have been various parts in this match where you just feel that Wong has given his best. But it's going to be match point now for Lin. There's another example. Wong has got the quality, but he's just up against someone who's a lot more stronger and higher up in the rankings. As easy as they come, Lin Shidong, the world number 2, gets China rolling here in the final of the Asian Table Tennis Team Championship. They go 1-0 up against Hong Kong, China. Lin Shidong was comprehensive. 11-8, 11-4, 11-4 over Wong Chu Ting, the highest ranked player of Hong Kong, China. So even if Hong Kong, China had the window of opportunity, it was possibly that match. This just sets the tone for China now to win this title.
Yes, it was sharp, it was